smart people are making millions on YouTube, reproducing, reusing and repurposing people's video and making money monthly on YouTube. And I know that you will say this isn't possible, but hold on, stay with me to the end of this video and I will show you how to do this without getting any strike or copyright. Okay, just keep on watching and learn. Hi my sprinkles, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on everything YouTube improvement tips and how-to videos. If it's the first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified when I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. In today's video, I will be talking about how to make money with other people's video on YouTube legally. Okay, just keep on watching and learn. My sprinkles, this is not a new story, but it's only very few people that knows about the strategy of downloading people's video, reproducing them without getting any copyright or strike. And for this strategy, I have 3 steps for you to follow to achieve this. My sprinkles, number 1, I would tell and show you what Creative Commons is. Number 2, I will show you how to identify a video if it's Creative Commons or not. Number 3, I will show you the website you will get Creative Commons videos all for free. This is a secret website. Bonus points, I will share with you great tips that will help you avoid copyright strikes or issue, and this will help you achieve better results. Any of your devices can work with this. Okay, if you have a smartphone, if you have a laptop, if you have a computer, it can work. Even iPad, it can work. I will demonstrate everything for you in this video using my phone, because I know majority of people watching me are using their phones. Okay, my sprinkles, now look at what YouTube says about it. I want you also to go and do your research about Creative Commons. Okay, now you just go to YouTube like this. When you go to YouTube, you look for help and feedback, then you click on search help, then you type on Creative Commons on YouTube and you see everything it says. Creative Commons on YouTube, the ability to mark uploaded videos with a Creative Commons license is available to all creators. Now you can see it yourself that it is legal to use Creative Commons licensed video. I know the next question on your mind is how to go about it. One thing I love about Creative Commons videos is that they have lots of views. They have views close to 100,000, 200, 300, 500, even millions of views. Yes, they do. I will show you. Which means that when you reuse such video, it's going to get you lots of views too. Now, I know the next question on your mind is how to find Creative Commons videos. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you. When you get to YouTube, you click on the search bar and you search on any topic or any niche you want. I will be searching about hairstyles. Okay, now you input that words you want to search on. I'll be searching hairstyles, so I input hairstyles and you click on it. You will see lots of video will pop out. Lots of video will pop out. And at the 3 dots at the right side, you will click on it and you will see search filter, and you will also see help and feedback. Then you click on search filter. When you see search filter, it will show you different options. Just move your cursor, just move it down, and down there you will see Creative Commons down there under features. Under features, in search filters, you will see Creative Commons there. You click on Creative Commons and that is it. It will bring out Creative Commons videos, but we're not using short form video, we're using long form video. Then you will select the one with lots of views. Now the one I am selecting is the one with 1.7 million views. That means lots of people have watched this video and it's just 1 year ago. Okay, and I'll just click on it. Okay, and when you click on the video, you open it up, then you click on more under the video, then you scroll down, you will see it has license, Creative Common Attribution License, reuse allowed. It's there, you can see reuse allowed down there. It means that this video is Creative Common and you can use it. Now once you're seeing that a video has license Creative Common reuse allowed, it means you can reuse such video. Now after you've downloaded the video to your gallery, that is all. You can start making money. Now you have videos, you can go ahead and open a channel, name it what you want, but mind you, there are other things you need to do before you upload that video. Don't just upload the video the way you downloaded it. No, that is where people make their mistake. That's when YouTube will give you that strike or copyright. Then follow these next steps I'll be talking about. It is very, very important. Okay, now the first step you need to do after you have your video and you have downloaded it is to tweak or edit the video. You take it to an editing app. There are lots of free app out there that can help you out. I use CapCut, and CapCut is also a free app. You can cut it, edit it to your own taste. You can even tweak it to your own taste, add your intro and other things. Mind you, there are so many people downloading this kind of video. You want your own to stand out from those people own, so you have to make your own stand out. Okay, so it's from your editing and your tweaking that will save you from copyright and strike problems. Number two, it is a rule that you must acknowledge the owner of this video. It is just the right thing to do. After taking their video, you have to acknowledge them in the video while you're editing it or in the description box, but you must acknowledge the real owner of the video to save yourself from copyright or strikes. Okay, and by acknowledging the rightful owner of the video, it is called retribution. It is very, very important. Okay, now the secret website I told you about, this website help you find Creative Commons videos just like the ones we saw on YouTube that you can reuse and share from different platforms. Okay, this website gives you access to all Creative Commons videos you can find on the internet. Okay, the name of the website is search.creativecommons.org, and also for a faster use, the link will be in my description box. You don't need to stress yourself. You can just go to my description box, click on it, and it take you straight to the website for free. Once you click on the platform you want, you type in the words you're searching on and you press search, and it will take you straight to that platform and to the videos. You will see so many of them. Now you choose the one you want and you download it. Okay, and when you download this video, you make sure you handle it the right way that it ought to be handled or it ought to be used. Now I want to share with you quick tip. I've said this before, I want to repeat it again. These are the quick tips that will help you avoid copyright strike or demonetization, because so many people will be doing the same thing. You want your video to stand out and avoid issues. Number one on my list is to tweak and edit your video, to add in adjustments to it, to edit some parts, to add in your own part to it, to make it stand out and beautiful. Okay, stand out from everyone else. If it's to reduce the voice and use your voice, just know what to do to make it stand out and avoid copyright strike. Number two, to make more money from this, you have to do your own research and find issue that has lot of views and have people watching it. And with this, you will run out of ideas or content. And number 3 point is that the video you want to download, the uploader might not be the original person that has the video. But when you use that website, it will help you identify the real owner of a particular video. From that, you'll be able to acknowledge the person properly in your video. If you follow all the tips I've talked about in this video, I tell you, you have gotten yourself a new channel and you will start making lots of money from this channel. My sprinkles, I know you have gotten value from this video. Please don't forget to leave all your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, and don't forget to give this video a huge like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to stay safe out there, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.